I'm in Sheikh Radwan, a neighbourhood of Gaza City that used to be a bustling residential area, houses, apartments behind me, street after street after street, but now it's just rubble. 9 out of 10 homes in the Gaza Strip have been damaged or destroyed. What that means is families across the Gaza Strip are coming back to the likes of this: a skeleton of a city, a shell of a building, and trying to make sense of how they move forward in that environment. Mothers, fathers are telling me that they're waiting for a tent to set up on the rubble, they're waiting for construction materials so they can begin repairs, or they're waiting for water to come back into their community so they can bring their children here and try and start to begin again. And this is why the humanitarian response is so important. UNICEF is here on the ground doing everything in our power to scale up supplies and services that will support and protect children in this moment. And more than anything else, they need this ceasefire to hold.